right, Kima, we're gonna try Chaylin Wins, huh?
Yes.
On Dragon Chain. We got a little bit of free play. Let's just see if we can get something on that. No, we're gonna do pennies this time, okay? It's Sunday morning. Maybe this casino doesn't like to give money away on Sunday mornings. Oh, baby. $50 minor. Baby, you know, using any voodoo? I'm kidding.
Come on, bonus now.
Get it? Oh.
Come on,
Get him, yeah. 3 $10 minis and a $50 ball. Not bad for $1. Words attract words. Get a minor and a major for 502. Fill it up for 11,000. Wow, minor went by. Not bad. $90, $100, I think. We need it. Beautiful. Exactly 100. What do we always say? Wish it was nickels or dimes. But anyway, this is good. Exactly 100. All right, Kima. Patulin Battle Princess. What do you want to bet?
Pennies.
No, you pick whatever you like. You like nickels, don't you? No.
Come on, bonus.
This is a little bit of your free play. See that? Fist bump. All right, now. Aren't you glad we did nickels? Me too.
Come on. Work.
Patulin Princess. Slow and easy, baby. All right? Nice and slow. You ready? This is our last chance. We got to get one. We didn't get one. Anyway, not terrible. Just not great. But not terrible. $48. That's much better than a kick in the butt. What are we going to do? A couple backups?
Yeah.
Not too many.
Come on.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
On.
I thought you had it.
Come on, bonus.
Get it. What do you think? We just take the 48 and be happy we got it, right? You used your free play, you turned it into money. Let's go find another machine. All right. We agree. Good.